extend one heads of fetus. And then we check.
No. Panood the song first. Okay, basic.
One will be in stationary and then the
Like once you like try to press
Sige lang.
Abdomen, not the proper personal protective equipment. The first thing we do is, of course, wash our hands, don a protective equipment, as a primary.
Very good. Sige. A little lateral just beside the sipa. At pa.
Tay, gone.
Okay. Go ahead.
Nice.
You place the patient in a
2,000 years later.
I use the dominant hand first.
Gusto ko siya pag-assess ko. Asa ko kapit?
Yeah, done.
Insert mong camera. Para makita natin documentation how we are.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Doc.
Okay. Huh?
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations! Sige. Okay, let's have a pic na.
Sige
Okay,
po.
mukhaon ako.
Sige.
Ikaw sa picture ni. Ayun,
Nakuha ako, Doc.
ikaw sa picture si Resky. Nana, kita na lang.
Yes, Doc. Sige, so 1,
sige.
2, 3, smile.